Yeah, today is the 17th of November 2020 and we have Mannilantie 13 sticks A in Järvenpää, Teskenda, Uusimaa, Finland. We have gotten inside the stickers A, there's also stickers B, but it's very difficult to get inside here. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 cars. So at least we have gotten into one of these, 2 elevators here. And it has 5 floors and it was built in 1977 by ValmetSchlieren. Turning 45 years old in 2022. It's a little bit younger than I thought it was 1972. The serial number is VS4840 and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021, with 5 floors. A little bit unexpected.
Yeah.
It's amazing too. Järvenpää is still amazing with lots of fault.
Yeah.
Elevators.
Inspected parking inspected maintained by Finland.
Yeah. Let's go. Thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's